Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So we finished up Al's bike a few weeks ago. I just got around time to posting it. He goes by Flaco Blanco on YouTube. He comments on all our videos. He's one of our biggest supporters, always has positive things to say. We had just never met until this point. We've messaged back and forth for a couple of years now. He's been following us for a while. We just finally got to collaborate and do a project together, and it was awesome. So he's one of those super meticulous guys where everything he has is in mint condition and immaculate, and he wants everything done a certain way. And it's always a pleasure to work with somebody like this because they appreciate the effort and the time that we take to do stuff right. So we planned out his build, went back and forth on a few messages, and it came out perfect. The challenging part was, of course, he wanted the LP6 headlight conversion on his bike. So when you do the off-road headlights, it takes up a lot of the real estate that we need for audio. He ended up going with a stage 3 high power. So we had to fit a 1600.1, 800.4 in the fairing along with the LP6 headlights. We were able to do it. He gave us some extra time with the bike, so we were able to pull it off. While we had the bike, he said go ahead and upgrade everything, so we did a lithium battery upgrade. We started with regular stage 3. He decided to go to stage 3 high power to get the extra bass, and he gave me plenty of time with the bike, so we were able to take our time and everything came out perfect. That's it. Check out the build.
Didn't even really wanna go, but if you get me out, you gotta show. There's so many bodies on the floor, so baby, we should go and add some more. Are you down, did it down, did it down, did it down, down, down? Down, did it down, did it down, did it down, down, down. Everywhere I look at people's hands, thrown up in the air to help them dance. Come on, baby, touch me if you can. I know you don't have any other plans. Are you down, did it down, did it down, did it down, down, down? Down, did it down, did it down, did it down, down, down? Are you
Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So Al and I have been messaging back and forth for over a year now. He follows us on YouTube. He finally pulled the trigger and got the install done on his beautiful, beautiful Road Glide. Are you completely happy the way it sounds?
Absolutely.
Thank you, sir.